Hey guys, I am a dinosaur. We died out for a long time. Not all dinosaurs were large. We were as tiny as a chicken. Dinosaurs lived in water and on land. Hey guys, I am a pig. Pigs love to sing. They sing for their children. Pigs screech very loudly, and we are very calm. But hi, I am a minion. All minions are boys. There are two yellow and purple colors. Yellow good and purple evil. All minions have 3 fingers on their hands. Hands are always on gloves. Bye. Hi, I am a unicorn. We live in magic forest and mountains. Fast and strong. We can be of different colors. We can fly at short distances. Bye.